In the context of climate change, thunderstorms, a dangerous weather phenomenon, are characterized by lightning and other violent events such as wind gusts, heavy rain, hail, tornadoes. Every day, around 7 million lightning flashes strike the Earth. Every year, all over the world, lightning causes considerable damage, millions of incidents, hundreds of major industrial accidents, and more than 20,000 deaths. 20% of people struck by lightning were working at the time. We can offer you an effective solution to reduce the serious consequences that thunderstorms and lightning could have on your outdoor activities and teams. With Geoflash, benefit from METEORAGE's unique expertise built on 30 years of experience. Receive real-time alarms in the field to help you make the right decisions, seek protection, and resume your activity when the danger has subsided. Geoflash is simple and reliable, with all the flexibility and efficiency of a web app. Just activate your geo-tracking. If a lightning flash is detected in your surrounding area, you automatically receive a warning by phone. You are also informed when the thunderstorm is over. Lastly, you can see where lightning has struck in your vicinity. Protect your teams and facilities from the dangers of thunderstorms and lightning. Service guaranteed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Geoflash, for better risk prevention, whatever your location.